My name is Mr. Karate Monster. Today we are going to talk about Varun Arani, and today is all about my karate. I learned karate when I was 5. Now I'm the karate master in America. I'm good at karate, and I fight people. I punch people on their face, and it's so awesome to be a karate master. So here we see how you play karate. First, you take your leg and you kick like that. And next you punch. And there we go. That's how you do. 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 That's how you do.
Keep dancing, come on. Okay, show your muscles. Do gorilla style. Oh. Do the lion.